Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Diana Garcia and I post all types of hair videos. So if you're interested, definitely check out my Instagram at 17diana17 and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to see my future videos. In this video, I am going to be showing you guys how I do stitch braids up into a high ponytail. I did large ones and small ones in between, so if you guys are interested, definitely keep watching. The products that I use are comb, clips, rubber bands, and the gel that I use for braids is Shine and Jam, my personal favorite, but you guys can pick whatever you like. I've used so many different gels, so many different products that I do like, but this is my personal favorite. So we are starting off by putting Shine and Jam all around and combing that to distribute it all throughout. And since I am doing a high ponytail, I decided to put away the bottom part of the head, because since that part is going to be braided up, I'm just going to wait until the end to make it easier on my client. I'll have them flip their head upside down and I'll braid these sections up into the ponytail. So first I braid the side just over the ear. I section it off, kind of thicker towards the face and smaller towards where the ponytail is going to be, so that all of the braids fit into the middle and it's easy to put it up in a ponytail. And for how I braid, I just use my pinky in order to make them stitch braids, and that gives it a cleaner, nicer look. I do have Shine and Jam on my hand, so whenever I need more product, I can easily just grab it from my hand and put it where it needs to go. Okay, and then what I did, I sectioned off the top 3 sections and made sure that the middle one was even and that the 2 sides were pretty even as well. I put Shine and Jam all throughout. I brush it to make sure the product is everywhere. And then that small braid that I braided, that one I will add at the end. Final result. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I didn't record every single braid just because it was the same thing over and over again. I just wanted to show you guys kind of how I started it. And the back, I just braided it up. I made sure my client was upside down, braided those up, and then I did add some accessories to her braid to finish her off. So definitely, if you guys watched until the end of the video, I appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you have a great day, and I will see you guys hopefully in my next video. Thank you. Bye.